How to turn on or off pop-up notifications on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off pop-up notifications on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Make sure to go to For You page. Click on those three lines up there. Click on Setting and now click on Notifications. All you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find pop-up notifications. Turn on or off this option. After enabling, you can receive friends updates and other features, commendation and time, even we are not using Likee. So you choose wherever you want. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.